Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my daily routine, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I usually get up at around 10 a.m. and the first thing I do is I always check my phone. Alam ko it's not the most productive thing to do, but I usually like checking my emails if there are new collaborations from brands or may mga bagong sponsors, and it really helps me stay focused and motivated as a content creator. I also check for our business because I manage an Airbnb in Tagaytay with my family. So guys, if nagbabala kayo mag-Tagaytay, DM nyo lang ako. We have 2 staycation houses in Tagaytay. Then I also check for my socials, lalo na sa TikTok, to see what's new or trending for that day. I don't wash my face in the morning with a cleanser. I just use water to keep the natural oils in my face, which is good for the skin. Then I cook my favorite breakfast, itlog. Kasi syempre, itong pinakamadali at pinakamasarap. Favorite ko talaga ang itlog. Sobrang layo ko dyan kasi ayoko talaga matalsikan. Sa kama lang ako pwede matalsikan. Huy! At syempre, kung may itlog, dapat may hotdog. Di lang isang hotdog, 3 hotdog. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na wala na pala akong bigas. Puro kasi sa skincare na pupunta ang mga ginagastos ko. Ang hirap talaga mag-adulting. O eto, Cooking 101 with Rafi. Turuan ko kayo kung paano magsaing. Di kasi kayo marunong, mga rich kid kayo. So, inuugasan ko siya ng 3 beses gamit ang malamig na tubig. Then, lalagyan ko ng 1 cup of water. And then, yun na. Tapos na. O, diba? Napakadali. Charan! O, diba? I'm so proud of myself, guys. Nakapagsaing na rin ako. Char. Gusto ko talaga kapag crispy yung egg eh. Masarap. Guys, sobrang favorite ko talaga ang hotdog tsaka itlog. La, ang laki. Looks familiar. O, tingnan mo, natawa si Gaga. Gusto ko talaga pag malaki yung hotdog eh. Hala, bigla ko siya na-miss. Huy! NANI?! Opak, ang sipag ko. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Char. So, here is my outfit today because I'm gonna go out to pamper myself because I deserve it. So, syempre, walang iba kundi sa Royal Aesthetics Philippines dito sa kanilang SM North Branch kasi sobrang quality at affordable talaga ng kanilang services nila. So, ito ang kanilang Glutadrip or ang kanilang tinatawag na Sakura White Drip na merong 5,000 mg glutathione at 1,000 mg vitamin C. Sobrang ganda ng effect nito sa skin ko, guys. Ang laki ng pinuti ko dito at nakaka-fresh talaga. So after nun, ito ang isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong treatment na ginagawa, ang kanilang Carbon Black Doll Laser. Madalas ina-avail ko talaga ang kanilang CO2 laser or ang kanilang PRP treatment. Pero yun kasi matagalan downtime. Ito walang downtime talaga. So if I want a quick fix for my skin, ito ang ina-avail ko. Sobrang ganda nito kasi nakakali talaga siya ng pores, nakakatanggal ng acne marks, at nakaka-stimulate din ng collagen growth. So nakakawala talaga siya ng wrinkles. Kaya ito ang isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong treatment dito sa Royal Aesthetics Philippines. So ano pang iniintay nyo, pumunta na kayo habang naka-promo pa sila, and thank you so much talaga sa Royal Aesthetics Philippines. And shoutout na rin sa CEO ng Royal Aesthetics Philippines na si Dr. Arlene Cristamo. Thank you so much talaga, Doc. So since nagutom ako, I'm gonna have my lunch here muna sa Coffee Bean and edit na agad ng vlog para matapos ko na since sobrang bagal ko talaga mag-edit. I love their pasta, so yun yung usually na in-order ko along with my favorite cookie. I don't drink coffee, so I just usually order their pure vanilla drink. After nun, dumaan muna ako dito sa grocery. I only buy what I need. Hindi ako bumibili ng maramihan. Since walking distance lang naman yung condo ko dito sa supermarket. So that's one of my tipid tips. Para hindi ako napagastos ng madami. For my dinner, I ordered from my favorite Korean resto, their special jjajangmyeon. Ito talaga ang pinaka-comfort food ko. After that, I'm back at editing again since I love editing videos. It was my hobby since bata pa lang ako. That's why I'm so grateful that I get to earn money from doing what I love. Kaya thank you so much guys sa suporta nyo. Here, I'm just still using my favorite cleanser. I already mentioned this from my previous video. It's super nice talaga. It's very gentle lang on the skin. For my moisturizer, I just use this Nivea cream. May napanood akong video sa TikTok that it has the same hydrating properties as the La Mer moisturizer. So after trying it, they were right. Sobrang nag-improve ang skin barrier ko. So I'm gonna be using this for a while at sobrang mura pa. And since may pimple ako, ito ang nirecommend sa akin ng doctor ko. Shoutout nga pala kay Doc Arvin ng Royal Aesthetics Philippines. After a few days, lumiliit agad siya. At syempre, before I go to bed, I check my phone again for updates. And lately, I've been writing down my plans for the next day. It really helps me become more productive. If there's one thing that I've realized is that I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I believed in myself when no one else did. 3 years ago when I picked up my camera, I was a boy with a dream. Now this boy is living his dream, his best life. I have achieved a lot and earned the trust of sponsors, brands, and collaborators. So that's why I can say that life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. This is just the beginning and it's only going to get better from here. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.